After seeing a small leak on the right hydro gear transmission of Mount Gravely 2548 ZTXL, I proceeded to remove the two screws at the bottom of what I believe they call the charge pump. I replaced the O-ring and reassembled the two gear-like pieces in the cover. No more leak, but now the trans does not power the tires. I purged the system per instructions, but no luck. Any ideas?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Couple hours, read above.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Ye.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is will be happy to assist you. Did you mark the orientation of your charge pump cover prior to removing it?
No, but I did compare it to the other side, left trans, and noticed a small logo stamped on one side, facing towards the middle of the tractor, so I installed the same way, so the right side is also facing toward the middle.
Is your left side still working properly?
That side was never taken apart. And this right side was fine before I replaced the O-ring. I also noticed the frame that the trans mounts to has broke, not sure how long it has been that way.
If your charge pump cover is reversed, your pump will not work at all. I suggest that you rotate it, and this should resolve our problem. Make sure you put back the small spring and check ball.
There is no spring and check ball that came out. Only an outer and inner type gear/pump.
Look closely on the ground or floor, just in case they fell out. Hopefully they are still in place.
There is nothing. I downloaded the schematic and it does not show any either. I also should mention I started putting 10W30 oil in, about half QRT, before to realized I need to use 20 watts 50, however I never ran it, I simply redrained and started over, so I can't imagine that caused any problem.
Can you get the model numbers from your transmission for me? I see it. You have a ZT 2800.
Variance part 032658000 ZT 2800 right hand.
Thanks. Can you give me a minute to pull up your transmission?
Diagram showing what comes out. See number 3. Sure thing.
I am back. Thanks for the diagram. I just wanted to be sure. If you are 100% sure your charge pump cover is installed correctly, and your oil level is correct, I would purge your transmission again. Make sure that the bypass/dump valve on your transmission is fully opening and closing.
I'm not 100%, but do you think my reasoning sounds correct?
I agree. What about your oil level? Your oil needs to be within 1 inch of your fill port.
Here is what I am talking about. I filled it until it came out of the vent hole, then plugged that and filled the tank to within 1 inch. This is why I am puzzled.
Let's try the purging process again.
I just turned the cover 180 degrees and will try to purge now. Well, my logic bit me in the butt. Turning the cover 180% worked. Yeah.
Awesome. I am glad your transmission is working now. I wouldn't consider it a kick in the butt. I would consider it good experience.
True, test and verify smile.
Absolutely. Now you will know to mark the orientation of your charge pump cover, if you have to work on the other transmission.
Oh yeah. Thanks for the help.
You are very welcome. I do hope all continues to go well for you. I too learned this same lesson many years ago. I am here to assist you. Thank you again for choosing JustAnswer. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to let me know, and I will be happy to continue working with you, until our problem is resolved. There is a link in your email that you can click on, if or when you need to return to our discussion page. My goal is to always offer total satisfaction. There is a link to this discussion page, in the email that JustAnswer sent out to you. If for any reason you need to return to this discussion page, please feel free to open your email and click on the link.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.